Let's enjoy the freedom and give tribute all the martyrs and the great leaders of our country. To record the contribution and sacrifice of our great leaders, I would like to call Adil Toko for her speech guided by Kavita Ma and Chaya Ma. Please have a big round of applause for Adil.
Standard 11A1 for our English speech guided by our English teacher Ms. Anuja Sinha Ma'am. And strength, much like our republic strives for unity and progress. Let's give them another huge round of applause for such an amazing performance.
आज आती है कभी जब आन पर, आज आती है कभी जब आन पर, खेल चाहते हैं हम अपनी जान पर, मर मिटेंगे देखना फिर एक दिन, ऐ तिरंगा हम तुम्हारी शान पर.
Now, to keep that energy high, we have a very special and powerful performance of the day. It's time for a wonderful patriotic dance by girls of Standard 4 and 5, guided by our teachers Madhu Ma'am and Jyoti Ma'am. This is not just a dance, it is a salute to our brave heroes and our beautiful nation. Please welcome them with a huge round of applause. बची है जो एक बूंद भी लहू की, तब तक भारत का आंचल नीलाम न होने देंगे.
So it's time for the conclusion of the program. So before we conclude, I would kindly request the backbone of our support and discipline.
Oh no, are you always on your phone?
Just a little bit, but look at these cute cookies from Standard 2 are already here to show us I stand.
Yes, it's about social media. So let's get ready to see a wonderful skit by the students of Standard 2 and learn how to stay connected in the real world. Please have a big round of applause for these students. Their performance is guided by our teacher students and Arvind sir for his guidance. जननी जन्मभूमिश्च स्वर्गादपि गरीयसी. माँ हमें जन्म देती है और धरती माँ की गोद में हम पलकर बड़े होते हैं. हमने इस देश में जन्म लिया है और यहाँ की मातृभूमि ने हमें अन्न, जल, आश्रय सब कुछ दिया है. हमारा इतिहास देशभक्तों के बलिदान की गाथाओं से भरा हुआ है.
So on this auspicious occasion, let's we all keep into us and think whether we are fulfilling our fundamental duties or not. Let's ask to ourselves what we can do for our country instead of asking what our country can do for us. Let's come together and march a step forward for a better society. Let's respect the Constitution.
Heartwarming performance. With a smile on their face and love in their hearts, our dancers has truly set a magical tone for today's event. Let's give another huge round of applause for them for such a vibrant and cheerful welcome. The performance was a perfect reminder that the best way to start any endeavor is with a smile and a warm heart. Thank you performers and thank you Anuradha ma'am for her guidance.
तो अब आ रहे हैं नर्सरी के नन्हे मुन्ने सितारे अपना रोल
Dancing now.
Oh wait, our junior friends from UKG and Standard 1 are already here for the welcome dance.
Oh great! तो अब आ रहे हैं मंच पर UKG और क्लास 1 के हमारे नन्हे मुन्ने सितारे.
इन छोटी छोटी कलियों की थिरकन और मासूमियत आपका दिल जीत लेंगी.
तो जोरदार तालियों के साथ स्वागत कीजिए इन बच्चों का.
Celebrate together with our next performance, which is a let's welcome the talented students of standard 3, 4 and 5 guided by our music teacher Mr. Rohit Pathak sir, who will present a song that truly embodies the spirit of unity in diversity. Please put your hands together for them.
आज हम सब उस संविधान को नमन करते हैं जिसने हमें एक स्वतंत्र, लोकतांत्रिक और गणतंत्र राष्ट्र के रूप में पहचान दिलाई है।
तो चलिए अब हम बढ़ते हैं अपने अगले कार्यक्रम की ओर, जिसके लिए मैं बुलाना चाहूंगी आसफा नाज को कि वह आए तथा अपने विचार रखें।
Big round of applause for them. मैं उस देश की नागरिक हूँ जहाँ छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज और सम्राट अशोक जैसा राजा था। मैं उस देश की नागरिक हूँ जहाँ हर 50 मील पर रूप, पहनावा, मजहब बदल जाता था। मैं उस देश की नागरिक हूँ जहाँ डाल डाल पर सोने की चिड़िया को पाया जाता था। मैं उस देश की नागरिक हूँ जिसे अपने भूगोल से पहले इस ब्रह्मांड का भूगोल समझ आता था। India is already a connected nation. Now how? NASA has reportedly stated that the sound of rotation of Earth is Om. And we have been worshipping Om, we have been worshipping landscapes, rivers, lakes since ages now, which states that our culture is born out of the geography of our country.
Well said. Thank you for that.
With this, we have come to an end of this program. So I request Mr. M.K. Shastri sir to please come upon the stage.